Many computer users and gamers love small, space-saving keyboards even at the cost of fewer keys. A 60% keyboard is the solution for their requirement. It has 60-70 keys, about 35-45 keys less than a full keyboard. Usually, it lacks a number pad, F keys, F1, F2, etc., navigation keys, home, end, page up, page down, and sometimes they even don't have arrow keys. Here we are going to review the top 5 best 60% mechanical keyboards available right now. Our recommendation number 1. Rk Royal Kludge RK61 Wired 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Royal Kludge is known for its high-performance keyboards, and they have lived up to the expectation with this 60% keyboard. It is based on a straightforward simplistic design that has staircase layout key placement to enhance its ergonomics. It is a true gaming keyboard with its all-key anti-ghosting, N-key rollover feature, and fully programmable keys. You can also program your own gaming mode. You will also be able to make multi-function key combinations. The switches used are of high quality. The blue one provides tactile feedback with a clicky sound, while brown is a lighter version of the blue switch and red has the least sound out of the three with linear feedback. Our recommendation number 2. Glorious Custom Gaming Keyboard GMMK 60%. Glorious Gaming, GMMK is a notorious brand when it comes to keyboard accessories, especially gaming mechanical keyboards. People love their products, and they are expensive, but still very popular. This specific GMMK 60% compact keyboard is a bestseller. Highly popular among gamers. It's hot swappable, perfect for gamers who want to test out multiple switches and find the perfect fit. It has a great build, feels very premium, and you can adjust the height, for more comfort, very ergonomic. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and it even supports gaming consoles. Our recommendation number 3. Newman GM610 60% Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This is a hot swappable keyboard where you can change the switches to any other Utemu switch easily. You can use cherry switches too by eliminating the additional pins. It has Bluetooth 3.0 and Bluetooth 5.0 to ensure better connectivity, and can be connected to up to 3 devices seamlessly at the same time. The wireless keyboard is backed by a 1500 mAh which can run easily for up to 10-12 hours. The Newman GM610 keyboard comes with an additional set of keycaps in a different color theme, so that you can change them according to your interior and mood. It is a feature-rich and versatile keyboard that comes with multiple connectivity options, hot swappable RGB backlight. Our recommendation number 4. Dia DK63N 60% Wireless Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This DK63 mini gaming keyboard is a powerful keyboard packed with features. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity offers lower latency and a stable and faster connection. The keycaps are made of high-quality ABS material, and the USB cable is braided and has an L-shaped port. The battery is really very strong, and you can use it for up to 20 hours under normal circumstances. Our recommendation number 5. HK Gaming GK61S Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The HK Gaming GK61 keyboard is hot swappable and can be replaced with other Gateron, Kale, and Cherry switch to name a few, and it is available in many Gateron mechanical and faster optical switches. The RGB backlit is backed by 16.8 million color combinations with multiple backlit modes. The HK GK61 gaming keyboard is available in 6 different colors. The GK61 keyboard uses double-shot ABS keycaps, which are considered very durable. You will be able to customize the HK GK61